Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share cooking is older than Homo sapiens, recipes that do not require cooking, simple cooked recipes, and slow cookers versus pressure cookers. People have cooked foods since the discovery of fire. Some archaeologists believe cooking is hundreds of thousands of years old. Cooking has two main benefits. It kills harmful bacteria, and it increases nutrient absorption. Today, some people advocate returning to a raw food diet. Only a fraction of the energy in raw rice is absorbed compared to cooked rice and other grains. The same with many fruits and vegetables. More of the antioxidant lycopene is absorbed from cooked versus raw tomatoes. Some people hate cooking, fear cooking, or believe it takes too much time. They ignore or are unaware of the hundreds of synthetic chemicals in prepared foods. Even plastic containers and wraps can leach chemicals into foods. Even restaurant foods have chemical additives and preservatives not found in homemade foods. Many recipes require little or no cooking experience. A good example is cold sandwiches. Unlike most restaurant sandwiches, you can make healthier organic sandwiches for the same price or less. Toasted breads and buns are optional, and you don't need a toaster. Cold sandwiches can be peanut and other nut butters, canned tuna or other seafood, sliced beef, ham, chicken, or turkey, and sliced salami or other cold meats. For sides, add a low-calorie salad or soup with your sandwich. Both have less calories and more fiber and other nutrients than fried potatoes. Like sandwiches, the variety of no-cook salads is limited only by your imagination. Canned organic soups can add fiber without chemical additives and preservatives. If you're on a low-sodium diet, check the amount of sodium per serving. Some organic foods are high-sodium foods. For potato chips and frozen potatoes, look for brands that have more potassium than sodium. Other no-cook sides include cheese, dill or sweet pickles, vegetable chips, fruit, vegetables, and applesauce. Adding hot foods to your diet does not require a lot of cooking experience. And you do not have to spend hours cooking healthy meals. An inexpensive toaster oven can bake a potato in 60 minutes or less, bake a variety of frozen vegetables, or roast fresh or frozen vegetables. Prepping vegetables for roasting can take less than 5 minutes. This baked custard has 5 natural ingredients. Prep time is about 5 minutes, less than the time to preheat the oven. The shelf-stable pudding has synthetic ingredients, including artificial flavor. Prepared foods are convenient, but they can have more synthetic chemicals than natural ingredients. The blueberries in this blueberry toaster pastry is listed under contains 2% or less. Prepared foods have some not so natural ingredients, including genetically modified. By comparison, oatmeal is not finger food, but it has less calories than one toaster pastry and twice the fiber and protein. Rolled and steel-cut varieties are ready in 2 to 3 minutes using a microwave oven. Frozen potatoes are convenient, but some brands have too many chemical additives and too much sodium. Toaster ovens and air fryers can produce healthier fried potatoes in about the same time. You can also make varieties not available from stores or restaurants. This flaky baked fish entree takes one pan and is ready in about an hour. Hot dogs are convenient comfort food, but not as healthy as these pulled pork sandwiches with more than twice the protein. You can cook the pork, beef, or chicken while doing other things. Slow cookers allow you to make healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. You can use less expensive cuts of meat to make a variety of hearty soups and stews. Or the filling for these sandwiches. Just place all the ingredients in the cooker, set the temperature for low or high, and in 5 to 10 hours, you can feast for a fraction of the cost of prepared foods. Today, you have a choice between a slow cooker or an electronic slow cooker and pressure cooker. Pressure cooking reduces cook times from hours to minutes after the cooker comes up to pressure. The takeaway from this video is that there are hundreds of healthy, homemade meals that do not require hours of planning, shopping, and cooking. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.